Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor and collector and absolute savage. Not me saying that, but my nephews think I'm a savage, which I am. So let's dive right into it. Just got a hot coffee. I wonder if you can see the steam. Very hot coffee. So we're going to talk about the Trezor Keep Metal. So there's another mnemonic metal that just came out. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to pull this up, but I just did a video talking about the Trezor Safe 3. So I'm trying to add that hardware wallet into my vocabulary. It's going to take some time. So if you get something out of this video, definitely hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. It's going to help us out a lot here on the channel as well. So let's dive right into it. I'm going to set things up just a little bit here. So if we can get, for example, my channel set up, this will be great. So this is the Crypto Moose channel. Go under videos and in just a bit, you will see the Trezor, I can never remember, the Safe 3, this Trezor Safe 3. So we talk about hardware wallets here all the time on the channel. And this is one of the newest hardware wallets that was just released. So that is the Trezor Safe 3. So watch that video if you're interested to hear my thoughts. So we're going to dive into the accessories here, if I can get to it. And we're going to talk about their other latest device that they just came out with. And here it is. It is the Trezor Keep Metal. So there's a couple of different versions of this. And what this is a method for you to add your recovery seed words, your mnemonic seed phrase. So that's an encrypted version of your private keys to Metal. Because if you back up your words to paper, for example, here's a list of episode ideas. If I write this down on paper, how long is that going to last? Am I going to expose this paper to water? There could be a flood in the house. You know, you want to think very long term with cryptocurrency. So not only in the investing mindset, but in the sense of protecting your assets. We talk about that a lot here on the channel. Go on this channel, type in, you know, what is the best hardware wallet? We have an entire library for you. So the goal of this channel is for you to go to the search, type in Trezor, type in hardware wallets, and you will have all these different options. So this is obviously not from my channel. So if we go to videos, here we're going to type in Trezor. Maybe this should come up. Yeah, so for whatever reason, it's not coming up here. But anyways, go under videos, check out the different content, and you can get a lot more information that you're looking for as well. So let's dive into, you know, what are my first thoughts of this device? Well, I must say I am impressed. So we'll go to the tech specs. And this is for a 12-word. They do have other ones. So here you got a 12. And then you also have a 20-word for Shamir backup. So with the Trezor devices, they're 12 words now. So I'm trying to remember, like with the Model T. So I do have a Model T. We have links in the description below. Save yourself up to 25% off. Trezor Model T, Trezor 1. So the Trezor Keep 3, sorry, the Trezor Safe 3 is more like the Model 1. And this Trezor Model T is a 12-word, and I assume that the Trezor Safe 3 is also a 12-word. So this device allows you to write down your words. And the way it works is that you actually puncture it, I believe. So it comes with what you're seeing right here. So you have this little puncturing device, and you know, you just go through the alphabet and then you put in your words. So it might even be up to like just the first couple of letters. Yeah, so 4 letters per side of the plate. So for example, for 1, you would find, let's say that you're putting in history. You'll do H on number 1. Number 2, on number 1, you will do H, I, S, T. So for each word, you will put in the first 4 letters. And the thing about mnemonic seed phrases, some people just don't know this. I didn't know when I first started out that when you have your words, all you need is the first 4 letters. and then you will be able to go into their downloadable mnemonic seed booklet and you can find your word. So as long as you have the first 4 letters, that's all you need. Okay. So some devices like this device, the Trezor Keep Metal, you just put in your first 4 letters and then your corresponding word relates to that. So that's all you need. So elevate your crypto security. And yeah, this is definitely something that you need. I like it. I think it looks good. I would definitely buy one. The other one that I do like is the Ellipal one. I talk about it all the time. I don't even have an affiliate link for it. I just love my Ellipal mnemonic metal. I might, yeah, actually, I don't keep it in the same location as my devices. So if we go on the Ellipal website, we will go to all products. I love this thing, 60 bucks. So this is what I have been recommending. I still do. And if we go to this, obviously it looks a little bit nicer, but you know, it's only 12 words. So you're going to need this with the Trezor, whereas this one's a little more universal. So I highly recommend if you want to pick up a nice mnemonic metal. I know this one works and I just haven't used the Trezor one. So Trezor, if you're watching this video, email me, CryptoMoose channel at gmail.com. The email is in the description, so you can get access to that. But definitely, this is something that I would like to test out. So this is just a first look. It's only on pre-order. I'm not going to order one. I don't really have any use for it at the moment. But if you guys send me a wallet, I will review it. So, yeah, there's the 24. This is like a bundle. So 99 bucks USD. You can pick one up. And I just did a video on the Trezor Safe 3. So comment down below. Do you think this device looks good? I will give it, I'll give it like a B+. I haven't used the device, but based on what I've seen, this is something that you have to do. You have to recover your mnemonic seed to metal, and these are fantastic options. I know there are options for punching your words into metal. I've done it in the past, but to buy the stainless steel, to get it organized and to do it properly, I recommend just buying one. It's, you know, it's similar to, you know, renting a hotel where it's like, you know, you're not going to buy the hotel, just rent the hotel. So that's kind of the analogy I have for it. So with that being said, check out our other content. We do have a free Cardano course in 60 minutes. So if you want to learn about Cardano in 60 minutes, how to set up a wallet, stake, yield farm, this course is awesome. You get all the downloadable material. You just got to put in your email, and you also get a nice workbook. And the moose got loose on that. So with that being said, love you all. Comment down below. Do you have a mnemonic metal? Did the moose get loose? You know, like, comment down below. Maybe the moose needs to get more loose. I don't know. I need to know. So cheers, everyone.